Good morning.
Be in vehicle all time.
No, the other one.
We just came to America.
The back row. Do some dancing for the video.
The back of the bus. We dance. The back of the bus. Would you dance if I asked you?
Hey, I'm going to make the march like.
That was delicious.
Is there a way to get there from San Bernardino today?
Honestly, I don't know. I know there are a lot of areas that are currently closed.
Is the 15? Do you know specifically the 15 North? Like any updates on the 15 North?
Well, the 15 North and the Cajon Pass is closed.
Okay. Do you know if it's gonna be closed all day?
Honestly, we don't know. It's all weather related.
It's all weather related. Going home.
It's crazy.
Try to go to Las Vegas, but the road is closed. So we're gonna try again tomorrow.
We'll try again tomorrow, but the road's closed now. But Goalie can't get out at her. So you got to go home.
That's right, we got to go home. And we're gonna try again.
On the board.
On the board?
This is Hunter. You get picture. I will take a picture. Cheese, smiley face. Can we take the pic? Can we
Silly
leave the
face?
picture on so
Yeah.
silly clothes yeah, I know we're in the car, but we're not outside. This is purple for you, Hopi.
7623.
Bye.
Well, we went to the mountain and we found Anna and Elsa. There they are.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can't see.
They're right there. And we are at the supermarket to buy some more food so we can have a party at our house.
And we're here to buy some at Las Vegas.
Well, we're driving to go to Las Vegas, but we got stuck.
And Say lied to the person saying that he has a wedding in Vegas tonight. Your wedding's tomorrow, and Say?
Yes, I get married tomorrow.
The other one up there, you need chains. But you gotta plug in like where you want to go. Let me see.
It looks like we're never gonna make it to Vegas.
We're gonna change that, mommy. We're gonna change that. I'm not even telling her.
Not sure if we're going to be able to make it to Vegas, but right now we're going back home, and then we're gonna keep calling.
CHP, Kyle California Highway Patrol.
And then what?
How am I telling?
Wait, so are we staying till Sunday or Saturday?
I don't know.
The lobsters are gonna eat us.
Show the kids who can't eat.
Is that what it means by lobsters? We say the lobsters eat us.
This is me, one heck of a video.
Will we ever make it? Stay tuned.
I would win. I would beat you. I would beat you.
Ai hỏi chi học đua của mình nè. Biết là ông rồi. Biết là ông rồi. Biết là ông rồi. Con cùng đầu ông chưa?
If you're watching this, this is the last time you will see us.
Girls, here we are again. What are we doing?
We're playing Mommy and Daddy. A nostrum thing it goes like a slide.
Where are we going again?
Window, and then we're going to Las Vegas.
Yes.
Mama's there, so I'm picking Mama. This is Mama wearing the headcloth. I'll wear it. So first, I gotta put on her clothes. Hi, I'm Mama, and this is my mom.
Here we go. We're gonna do it again.
Potatoes.
We're gonna do this round 2.
And I been here for a long, long time ago.
I want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the present underneath the Christmas tree. I just want
Listen. Most people usually put my feet through first, right? I'm just, too much time. So here goes.
Take one. Take two.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Hot Barbie summer.
What Juicy say? Like,
Don't run from me, free.
Real, it is what it is, there's some 5-star. She a big gold freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me, I love my niggas equally. Thinking 9 to 5 niggas with that superstar beat. The superstar star, now I got him far link. I called a Jake to get that nick, I told him call, don't send no text. And don't you tell him you with me when they be asking where you at. I can't read your mind, gotta say that shit. Should I take your love, should I take that? Got a whole lot of options, cause you know a girl's hopping. I'm a high girl, so you know ain't shit that's stopping.
It is what it is, there's some 5-star. She a big gold freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah.
Who a how to be? Who got a lot of D? Who poppin' like a P when he be hopping out the V? And who gon' tell him that my bitch is getting her degree? And when we say it's hot girl summer, we ain't talking about degrees. Who won't follow me? Like who don't follow me? Cause even in your new bitch, I can see a lot of me. And honestly, I'm on it cause that shit be comedy. You ain't put me in no brands, but I see you proud of me. I'm just a real, give a fuck about a trick. I'm some real, and we really with this shit. Put this on your lip. Give a fuck about the dick. I get that and then I grab my shit and then I dip.
Real, it is what it is, there's some 5-star. She a big gold freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, college girl, but a freak on the weekend. Eat that dick up even when I'm going vegan. He be tripping on me and I know the reason. I gotta break up with my every season. Real high girl shit, ayy. I got 1 or 2 days. If you seen it last night, don't say shit the next day. Let me drive the boat, ayy. Kiss me in the pros, ayy. It go down on that brown, now we going both ways. I can't read your mind, gotta say that shit. Should I take your love, should I take that? Got a whole lot of options, cause you know a girl's hopping. I'm a high girl, so you know ain't shit that's stopping.
Real, it is what it is, there's some 5-star. She a big gold freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah.